Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for today. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next week, so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Before we'll move any further, I want to let you know about Liquid 1V. If you are an active person, or you live in a dry climate, it is vital that you maintain your hydration. Unfortunately, most people do not get enough fluids during the day. Their mission is to change the world by providing the best product. Only one stick and you will feel a multiply in your hydration, energy and immune support. Liquid IV have donated over 9M sticks worldwide with 30k positive reviews. The link to purchase Liquid 1V is in the description, and for 25% discount use the code EverydayTech for today. Today, our topic is the Vantrue N43 channel dashcam. Here are its features. 3-channel dashcam. Optimal solution for road safety. Professional dashcam for peace of mind. 3-way dashcam record road ahead, car interior and road back simultaneously up to 1440p plus 1080p plus 1080p at 30 fps, or just utilizes dual recording mode to record front up to 4 kelvins, interior or behind of your car up to 1920 by 1080p at 30 fps. The front camera can seamlessly record up to 4 kelvins when used alone, enabling clear capturing of license plates and road signs. Super night vision. With f1.4 aperture 6 glass lens observing road front, f1.86 glass lens observing behind of your car, and 4 IR LED lights facing the vehicle occupants, it ensures super night vision even in dark situations. Your 24 hours parking monitor. Monitor your car condition for 24 hours with continuous power supply. Motion detection auto record once detects movement in front, while collision detection auto turn on dashcam to record even when it is off. Must be hardwired. Reliable witness for accident. Powerful seamless loop recording automatically overwrites the oldest files when your SD card is full. Variable sensitivity G-sensor emergency locks. Video files following impact, manual lock option. All-around 360-degree full protection. It utilizes 155 degrees front camera, 165 degrees inside camera and 160 degrees rear camera to record front, inside and road back simultaneously. The inside camera lens is 45-degree vertically rotatable for best viewing angle, and the rear camera lens is 360-degree rotatable. Speed, location, route tracking. The external GPS module can accurately record the vehicle's speed in km, h or mph, location and driving route, which allows you to track GPS data on PC with Vantrue GPS player. Time-lapse. With time-lapse, the dashcam can sustain longer operational period while reducing video file size, which greatly saves space on the memory card for capturing frames for a time-lapse video of a multi-week road trip. Supports up to 256 GB cards. Recommend Vantrue micro SD card. Please don't use SanDisk card and Transcend card. 18-month warranty. Extendable 18-month warranty. Email replies within 24h, and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Firmware updates for continuous improvements and new features. Specifications. Brand. Vantrue. Video capture resolution. Single front 4 kelvins, dual channel 4K plus 1080p. Supported standards. 4K. Mounting type. Suction mount. Auto part position. Rear. Sensor. Sony STARVIS CMOS sensor. Display. 2.45-inch IPS LCD. Audio. Built-in microphone and speaker. USB port. Type-C USB. Video format. MP4. Video playback. PC, Windows, Vista, Mac, TV, dashcam. What's in the box? Dashcam with suction cup mount. Rear camera with 20 feet extension cable. Car charger with 11.4 feet Type-C USB cable. Type-C USB data cable 3 feet. Adhesive sticker. User manual. Quick guide.